today, Billy and I are going to pick up a puppy, and it's gonna be lit. So I'm trying to pack a bag for the dog because we're picking her up from the airport, and she's probably gonna be tired and maybe thirsty. And she might be dirty because it's a long plane ride, and she might have peed upon herself. The flight is going to leave in 5 hours and 21 minutes. Are you ready to be a big brother, huh? Are you ready? She got a haircut for the occasion. We got a haircut for the occasion, huh? Alright, so I'm gonna go get some lunch, and then we're gonna go pick some last minute things up, and then we're gonna go head to the airport because she comes in at 5, but we're getting there early because I don't really know where we're going, so it's fine and everything's fine. My dude!
Hello.
Excited for puppy time?
Yes.
What are you most excited about?
What am I most excited about?
Yeah.
Her cute little feet.
Her feet?
She has those cute little tucks.
I know, she did.
So, we're gonna go get some last minute dog toys and baby wipes for if she pooped her pants. And Kinsey is lit about it.
And also holiday spice flat whites. Myself.
So
only.
yeah.
We parked, and we are getting your puppy, and I see Dunkin' Donuts, so it's lit. We're waiting on the puppy, and it is going to be here in about 30-40 minutes. So lit. The puppy has landed.
I'll be at that soon.
Oh, shoot. She's not coming through the baggage claim. By the way, let's know what's happening. She's alive, and he had some food. Do you want to see her?
Alright, I just need somebody's ID, whoever's on the sheet.
It should be me.
Hi, baby girl. Oh my god. Hi, sweetie. Are you tired? Oh, I know. I know, baby. Your daddy will be here soon. He'll be here soon. Are you scared? It's okay. I know.
Is there any like scissors or anything? Okay.
She's so cute. She's so cute. Are you happy?
Yeah.
Hello, little girl. She said, let me out. How does this work? Oh, she's coming. She's like, what is this? And why? She's wagging her tail. Oh. Come here. Get her out. Oh my God. Is she wet?
No.
Oh, she's a clean puppy, huh? She's a clean puppy. Oh, she's so soft.
Oh my goodness. Hello.
Oh, hey, good morning.
I don't want you falling.
You like us?
I don't want you to fall, baby. What's that?
Oh.
What
Says,
is
I
it?
honestly have no idea
What
this
is
is.
it? Okay, let's get you in a car, because I'm
Okay.
afraid you're going to fall.
Okay, baby.
Let's get your food, too, because you look like a hungry
Are
puppy.
you hungry, baby? Oh, she's licking. Oh, she's so happy. Look, she says, hello, Daddy. Oh, she says, hi, Daddy. Oh, that's scary noise. That's a big noise. Okay.
Hello.
Oh, she's so happy.
Oh, my goodness.
She's so happy. Who's happy? Baby girl.
Baby Garnet.
Baby Garnet.
We got to give her a new collar.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know how this one works.
Let's keep this light on.
I don't see any buttons or belts or anything.
Girl, how'd you get that on? Oh my gosh. She says, mainly, I'm just tired.
We'll do it later. We'll do it when we get home. You got such a cute
Oh,
face.
she's so happy.
You got such a cute face.
So happy.
Oh my goodness.
She is so
Oh
happy.
my goodness.
Do you look at her
Oh
little
my
face?
goodness.
Are you a mess?
Oh
a
my
mess?
goodness.
Are you a mess?
She kind of smells like pee, but
Oh, it's okay.
we can wash her off when
It's
we get
okay.
home.
Do you want some wipes? Or
We
do you
can-
just not? Oh, puppy breath.
It's your baby.
Hey, baby girl.
Baby
Oh, you're so
Garnet.
happy.
Where are you going?
She
Where
says
the
I'm
hell?
escaping,
You
actually.
wanna hold her?
Yes.
Here, you can. It looks like she loves you more, so.
No, there's no way. Hi, baby girl. Oh, she likes hair.
The
She likes
baby.
hair.
She's so cute.
Are you tired?
She is such a little
Are
nugget.
you tired, baby girl? Mm-hmm. Oh my gosh.
Her little tail is just a wagging.
Are you
Jen.
so happy to
I was
be
worried that
home?
she'd be scared.
Oh
and she'd
no,
her
she
little
loves
tail.
us. She's so happy. She's so happy.
Oh my goodness, that's my puppy. It's Garnet.
Are you cute, baby girl?
It's Garnet.
I'm so happy you're a baby.
It's you,
I'm so
baby
happy you're
Garnet.
a baby. You're mainly daddy's baby, though. You know that? You guys smell like wood chips.
The baby.
Oh, she's so sleepy. I don't want to put you down. You're my baby. Just kidding. You're daddy's baby. But you're my baby. I know, it's kind of scary, but good news, we're your parents, and we love you, and
So get used to it.
so, yeah, you don't really have a choice. You're so cute. Are you a mess a little bit? Oh, you want it? Okay. Going back here.
She's so fluffy.
We almost had Christmas music.
Her little legs are doing the little thing.
Are you snooty?
Her front legs were.
Oh, I just love
She
your
was
puppy
front legs
breath.
floating.
Mm,
Her little face.
you don't have enough kisses. You don't.
Your little face. Garnet. Garnet.
Garnet.
Garnet. Garnet. Garnet. You don't know your name yet. You're gonna have to learn.
You're going to learn. I'm
Garnet.
scared she's gonna bite me and it's gonna hurt. Because she's just trying to explore. You know, she's eating my hair.
The face.
She
Oh,
says, hello.
she's such a little model.
So cute, Billy. This is your baby.
Oh my goodness. You like beards? Oh my
What'd she do?
She yawned.
She said it's been a very long
Are
day.
you gonna go right to sleep when we get home?
Golly. Oh my god.
Oh.